Welcome to our channel Science and Knowledge. So, the new Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra could feature a big hardware upgrade changes, and many other new exciting features. As one of the flag bearers of the high-end Android smartphone segment, Samsung's devices get a lot of eyeballs, and with good reason. The Galaxy S24 Ultra is among the best phones you can get today. But that is all set to change in a few months, when the Galaxy S25 series is officially launched. Some recent leaks related to the upcoming flagship trio haven't been too exciting, to say the least. But according to a reliable leaker, Samsung could introduce a crucial hardware upgrade with the Galaxy S25 Ultra early next year. To know all this here, please watch the video till the end. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel Science and Knowledge for our future videos. According to the latest report, the Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra is set to compete with 16GB of RAM variant. While an initial benchmark listing on Geekbench showcased the device with 12GB of RAM, it turns out that this isn't the maximum configuration for the upcoming flagship. In a post on X, better known as Twitter, Ice Universe claims with some confidence that the Galaxy S25 Ultra will definitely feature a variant bearing at least 16GB of onboard RAM. If true, this would mark a big shift for Samsung, since the Galaxy S24 Ultra models offer a maximum of 12GB out of the box. Samsung's recently launched foldables, the Galaxy Z Fold 6 and the Z Flip 6, also max out at 12GB. The expected storage configurations for the S25 Ultra are included: 12GB of RAM and 256GB of storage, 16GB of RAM and 512GB of storage, and 16GB of RAM and 1TB of storage respectively. In addition, non-Ultra models of the Galaxy S25 series are anticipated to offer 12GB RAM with 256GB and 512GB storage options, catering to a broader range of users. Although this would be big news for Samsung, it's not new to the industry. For instance, OnePlus already offers up to 16GB of RAM on some of its devices, with a China-exclusive version of the OnePlus 12 offering a whopping 24GB of RAM. A recent rumor suggests the OnePlus 13 could bring 24GB of LPDDR5X RAM to global markets next year. Meanwhile, Google's recently launched Pixel 9 Pro smartphones have 16GB of RAM, with only the vanilla Pixel 9 offering 12GB. With these factors in mind, it would be an understatement to say that Samsung is playing catch-up. So, for more tech news and updates, please stay tuned, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel Science and Knowledge. See you next time, stay blessed, peace out.